Right, so today I'm going to show you how to make a Old Year's night favorite. My grandmother used to make it all the time. Black eyed peas pilau. There's a old story. I don't know how true it is that, you used to hear the folks say black eyed peas is the meal to eat on a Old Year's night to bring luck in the new year. I don't know how true that is, but that is why they used to make it only on Old Year's night. So we're going to start with some vegetable oil first. Today I'm using turkey bones. Another reason for using the turkey smoke bones is traditionally we use our ham bones after Christmas to make soup and these kind of dishes locally. So we're going to, but today we are using smoked turkey leg bones. We're going to start with some garlic, some pimento, Chadon Beni, some thyme. I'm going to let it sweat for a little bit first. We add our smoked bones. Some pumpkin. And carrots. So the smoked turkey bones, I mean, this dish doesn't take very long to cook because the smoked bones are already cooked. It just incorporate this flavor of the smoky meat into the rice and the vegetables. And we're going to add black eyed peas, our rice, and of course our habanero pepper. I like to wash my rice first. The reason for washing the rice is to kind of wash out the starchiness of the rice. So the end product doesn't be, the rice is not too friendly, it's kind of loosened a little bit. Give you a more grainy and nice product. We're gonna add our bay leaf, some parsley, a little salt because the smoked bones has salt in it already. Black pepper, of course some coconut milk. We'll give a stir. Right, and we add some water, just enough to cover the rice. Right, and all the ingredients. We cover on a low heat and we allow to cook for about half an hour, 30 minutes.